Which high-yield KILLZALL is right for you? High-yield super concentrate KILLZALL weed and grass killer is a non-selective systemic weed and grass killer that will eliminate undesirable vegetation, roots, and all. Use in and around driveways, walkways, fence lines, flower beds, trees and shrubs, and for garden plot preparation. KILLZALL Quick is our fastest KILLZALL yet. This ready-to-use formula penetrates all the way down to the roots in just 1 to 2 hours, with visible results in as little as 3 hours. High-yield KILLZALL aquatic herbicide is a non-selective weed and grass killer for use in aquatic and other non-crop sites. Used to control aquatic weeds like cattails, water lettuce, water hyacinths, and more, without harming fish or desirable insects. Use in lakes, ponds, canals, irrigation and drainage ditches, and other similar sites. High-yield KILLZALL 365 is a soil sterilant. This formulation kills all weeds and grasses, roots, and all, plus prevents new weeds for up to 1 year. Apply KILLZALL 365 only to areas where no vegetation is desired at all, such as gravel areas, walkways, parking lots, patios, and around fences and buildings. With a full line of non-selective weed and grass killers, you can find a KILLZALL that's right for you. But only at your local independent garden center.